Hey there, business owners. Congratulations, you've made it this far. Your business is registered, your taxes are sorted, and you're officially in business. But now comes the part where you get to stay in business. And that, my friends, means being compliant. It's not the most glamorous part of running a business, but it's definitely one of the most important. So today, we're diving into how to stay on top of your long-term legal obligations and keep everything running smoothly. Let's start with something that happens every year, filing your annual returns and accounts. Yep, that's right. Tax season might not just come once a year, but returns are part of the deal. And no, I'm not talking about returns like I didn't like this product, I'm sending it back kind of returns. I'm talking about the paperwork that says, hey, I've been running a business and here's how it's been going. The government wants to know how much you've earned, how much you've spent, and whether you've been following the rules. If you're a private limited company, you'll need to submit an annual return to Companies House, along with your accounts. It's kind of like giving your business a report card. And if you are a sole trader or partnership, you will need to do a self-assessment tax return. But unlike school, there's no maybe next time. You need to do it on time. Now, let's talk about your ongoing tax obligations. Just because you filed your taxes this year doesn't mean you can kick back and relax. Oh no, taxes are a lifelong commitment. You've got to keep track of your income, expenses, and everything in between. If you're not good with numbers, now's a good time to make peace with them. Keep your receipts, save your invoices, and make sure your records are tidy. Trust me, when tax time rolls around, you'll thank me. If you don't, well, you might find yourself in a sticky situation with the taxman. And we're talking about tax penalties. The good news? There are plenty of tools to help you. Use accounting software to keep track of everything. And if you are a private limited company, you will need to hire an accountant. Either way, staying on top of your records will save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about what happens if you hire people. If you've got employees or plan to, you've got to understand your rights and responsibilities as an employer. This isn't just about paying them, it's also about making sure they're safe, respected, and protected. After all, happy employees are productive employees, and unhappy employees are, well, they're the ones who'll probably be writing you a very honest review on Glassdoor. As an employer, you need to understand things like employee contracts, paying the minimum wage, and offering paid leave. You also need to be aware of health and safety regulations, anti-discrimination laws, and providing a work environment that's safe and fair. If you don't follow these rules, you could face penalties, and nobody wants that. Now, I know compliance can feel like a lot, but don't worry. I'm here to help you stay organized. First up, let's create a compliance calendar. This is where you'll map out everything you need to do each year. Filing your annual returns, paying your taxes, renewing your insurance, and checking in on any employee-related obligations. Pause the video here and set up alerts or reminders. You can put it in your phone. The goal is to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. When you plan ahead, you won't be scrambling last minute to find receipts or call your accountant. You'll feel like the most organized business owner on the planet. Trust me, future you will thank present you. So there you have it. By staying on top of your ongoing legal obligations, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success. Keep your calendar handy, keep those records in order, and remember, compliance doesn't have to be scary. With the right tools and a little planning, it can be just another part of running your business smoothly. Good luck and see you in the next lesson.